Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a gingerbread man using a cardboard toilet paper roll. This is what you need to make your gingerbread man. A toilet roll, some glue, some googly eyes if you've got them. If not, you can use the felt pens, some paper, sellotape for sticking, a round shape for the gingerbread man's head, and some brown paper. Oh, and some scissors for cutting, important. Okay, so first of all, what I'd like you to do is, if you've got a brown felt tip, I want you to colour your toilet roll all over to make it look like the gingerbread man's body. Now, if you don't have a brown felt tip, it doesn't matter. You could use paint, or you could use a colour pencil, you could use material, but anything you want. So once that's all coloured, it should look like this. Next, you're going to make the gingerbread man's head. So you need to find a circle, round shape. I'd like you to draw around it. Make sure someone can help you hold it down if you find that a bit tricky. And remember to use all your cutting skills for cutting. See if you can cut a nice round shape for the gingerbread man's head. Once you've done that, use your glue and you can stick 2 eyes on, just like he had in the story. You remember what he used, what the old woman used? I think they were sweeties. I'm using some googly eyes and a happy smiley face because he was a happy gingerbread man. And then using your sellotape, you're going to attach that to your toilet roll. There you go, like that. Next, you're going to make some buttons. Now I think I'm going to use some black paper, and again I'm going to draw some round circles, cut some round circles. How many buttons should we have? I think I'll do 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to cut some round circles. Oh, my circles have gone a bit skewy, but you're good at cutting. There we go. You could use a small object to draw around if you don't find that easy. And then you're going to put your buttons on the gingerbread man. One, 2, 3. Now, he needs some legs and arms, so you're going to use some brown paper and cut 4 strips. Now, why do we need 4? We need 2 for his arms and 2 for his legs. 2 and 2 altogether makes 4. So there's my first strip, and there's my second strip, number 2. And I'm going to cut 2 more. And then what I'd like you to do is have a go at doing something what we call concertina. You're going to fold the paper one way, fold it another way, and keep going till you get to the end, and you will have a nice zigzag arm. Now, I've done some here earlier to save a little bit of time, and I'd like you to use your sellotape again and see if you can attach them to your there you go, just like that. And then 2 for the feet. That's a little bit fitty, but keep trying. And that is your gingerbread man. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. Now I'm going to show you another quick activity with the gingerbread man. This time you're going to make a gingerbread doll. You need a long piece of paper. You can have a longer piece than mine, and it doesn't have to be brown, it can be any colour you want. You're going to, again, concertina it, remember, you fold it one way, and you fold it back, turn it over, fold it the other way, turn it over,